Hi everyone, my name is Mukta and I'm a holistic nutritionist and coach. And I'm really excited to share that I am bringing back the Vegan Dinner Challenge hosted by Banyan Tree Women's Collective this year. We had a lot of positive feedback last year, and I think it helped a lot of people figure out how to make the transition to going more plant-based, even if it's not fully vegan, who cares? And it really is a way to try to feel out different foods in your body. So you're going to learn techniques, you'll get recipes, and you'll get support from me. So if you're interested in signing up, it will start on October 1st and run through October 5th. We will have a kickoff info night on September 27th, so please register for that. And if you have questions, reach out to me at Mooks Cooks. Well, I hope to see you there, and let's do this vegan challenge together.